In this video, we are going to show you how to share projects in Poppy AI. Now, if you have a project you want to share, maybe you want to have a couple of teammates help you out, or maybe you're the one setting things up, you're the manager of a project, and you're like, okay, this board is for these 3 people, the other board is for the 5 other teammates, and you want to give them access and share the projects so that they could start working on it. It's quite simple. Once you have your project set up, right? For example, you have something set up or something minimal like this, you want to click on the share button here on the upper right corner of the screen. It's between upgrades and refer, right? So click share. This pop-up will appear. Now it says here share with team, so personal workspace, right? By default, it's going to be disabled, right? So once you click this for the first time, it's going to be like this. To share, you need to make your board public by clicking like this. And once it is now enabled, anyone with a link can edit the board. So all you need to do is click on copy link to share, like so, and then just message the link to your teammates or whoever it is that you need to give access to or share the board to. So that is how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next